Good morning children. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, you all are waiting for non-living things, right? Yes. We learned living things in the last week. Now we want to talk about what non-living things. Before that I want to hear what are the characteristics of living things. 3 times we discussed about three living things can grow, living things can move, living things can breathe. Okay, now we want to learn non-living things. Can you tell me what is non-living things? Living things can these things, no? So what about non-living things? Just opposite of living things. Just opposite of living things. Okay, so living things can grow. So what about non-living things? It cannot grow. It cannot grow. I will show you one picture. See the picture of a rock. Picture of a rock. Think it can grow? Parangana veludavo? No, it can't. It can't grow. It cannot grow. Yes, appo rocks are non-living things. Cannot grow. So this is non-living things. Then I will show. It can move. Rocks can move. They can move one place to another place. No, it cannot move. It can't move. It can't move. Then can it breathe? Can it breathe? No, it cannot breathe. So non-living things cannot, it can't grow, it can't move, it can't breathe. Okay, that is non-living things. Now I will show you the next picture. Yes, our books. What are books? What are these? Books. Books can grow. Books can grow. No, it cannot. Is it grow? No, it cannot. Children, can it move? Can it move? Book can move? No, it can't move itself. It can move by the help of us. Sometimes we will take it and keep it somewhere else. But it can't move itself. അതിന് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല, നമ്മളെ സപ്പോർട്ട് വേണം അല്ലേ? യെസ്, ഇറ്റ് കനോട്ട് മൂവ് ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ്. Can it breathe? Can it breathe? Can it breathe? No, it cannot breathe. So, books also non-living things. Yes, like rocks, books also non-living things. See, I'll show you this. What is this? See working, what is it? Fan. Fan is working, no? Yes. It is moving. Is it move? Can it move? No, it cannot move itself. It cannot move itself. It is moving by the help of electricity. Yes? Okay. Can it grow? Can it grow? Can it grow? No, it cannot grow. Fan cannot grow. It cannot grow. Can it breathe? No, it cannot breathe. So, it is non-living thing. It is non-living thing. Okay, now I will show you the next one. What is this? Bag. School bag. Okay? School bag. It can move. It can move itself. No, it cannot move itself. Sometimes we will take it and take it sometimes, right? But it cannot move itself. Can it grow? Can it grow? No, it cannot. Can it breathe? No. So bag also non-living thing. See the next one. Yes, one house. One house. Is it? You tell me, is it a living thing or non-living thing? Huh? Remember that 3 points: grow, move and breathe. Okay, got it? Is it living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is non-living thing. It cannot, it can't grow, it can't move and it can't breathe. So, what is non-living thing? Non-living thing can't, it can't grow, it can't move, it can't breathe. That is non-living thing. Now I think you all understood what is living thing and what is non-living thing. Just opposite of living thing, that is non-living things, right? Yes, now what you want to know is, you just look around and list living things and non-living things. You want to write some living things and non-living things, items of living things and non-living things, and show it to your friends in the Google Meet. Okay? Okay, now you have 2 works in your workbook. You have to do that. You can. Okay, now I'll come the next week with a new topic. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.